Hello everyone, welcome. We'll bring today a new video tutorial about OVR, Map to Earn. Today we are in the middle of city center, so that's why I want to bring a tutorial, because it's way different working in middle of a huge city. So first of all, I will try to get the traffic lights stop maybe in a minute or two. So walking right now, doing that. As you listen, the buses are going in front of me. Anyway, we are trying to map this land we were before, the middle one. So let's go. So as you see, I am in the middle of the street. Map is on the middle of the street. Actually, it's not showing well there. When you go to the satellite view, you could realize that yes, as you see, we are a little bit there and looking front, so we correct, and then we have the roads there. So we have to be quickly. There is no cars coming now, but we have green lights both sides. So try to map safely. Don't bring problems and chaos to the city. It's very easy to disturb, so it's also very easy to make it very well. As you see, we will try to make our classic technique, trying to catch a few hexagons surrounding the center one, and trying to get, by the way, getting this one, the other ones on the same time. Okay, now we have a huge truck coming on in front of the map, so we will try to avoid it as much we can, so it will not get in the map. So the truck is behind me, you will see it now. So try to do this kind of sport dodging people. So I think we are closer to 500 ones. Okay, we are 500 map, 500 pictures, sorry. So this is kind of what we need. Maybe now we can focus a little bit here, so we have some clear details of this. That could be good. So of course, if you have some three-dimensional objects there where you can add more metadata, so then all the experiences with the augmented reality will be easier to build and anchor on this reality. So then we conclude the mapping, we will save, go to edit, and then we will do the classic edit. Just we go to scale and go to minimum. So then we have a good map, a good result, and then a jump in 3D that also is very good. So I will left the link of the map down on the video. So hope you like it. Stay well, stay healthy, peace. Well, we are here a day after of the mapping, and you wanted to show the results because we got the map approved also. So as you see, we got a good sharp view of this object that we at the end went to focus. So then we will go to jump in, and as you see, I can move myself there, like moving my phone, or I can use the joystick, as you see. So let's move there, and you can see how sharp is the detail of when we focus on something on the map. We know the center is here, so that's why we was mapping here. And then as you see, the AI in this raster version can take out the humans, so we don't have people here hanging. So is that a good option? You get the option when you are uploading the video, the map. So as you see, the point of view is very sharp, very nice. That means that we did very good work, and hope this tutorial helped everyone to know how to do it map to earn in a city. Well, stay healthy, peace.